Thank you. I will be very short. I have to say, however, that I am very much thrilled and enthusiastic about the first day of our workshop. We have heard a number of examples of really excellent research applications, and I feel really encouraged in the perspective of Czech, French, and European collaboration. Just would like to conclude by thanking really all of you for having come to Černín Palais. It has been an honor for us to host such a distinguished forum at this very venue, and we hope that this is not the last time that we can accommodate our researchers in Černín Palais. So once again, thank you very much to all our presenters, to all the participants. I think that we have experienced as well very interesting discussions. So it's, in my opinion, another piece of evidence that there is a lot of potential for us to work together. This is the end of the first day, but this is not the end of the workshop. We continue tomorrow. However, I would like to remind that the venue is different. It's not Černín Palais anymore, but it's the headquarters or the main building of Czech Technical University at Jugoslavských Partizánů, which is in the vicinity of Vítězné náměstí. You have all the directions received from us, and all are available on the website. So on behalf of our counterparts from Czech Technical University, I would like to invite you for the deliberations of tomorrow to check the Czech Institute of Cybernetics, Robotics, and Informatics. Once again, it's been an honor and pleasure to have you all in Černín Palais. I wish you a very nice evening, and let's meet together tomorrow again. Thank you.